Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of exercise 5.1. Question number 5. If matrix A is equal to 1 upon 9 into minus at 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus at 4. Okay, then prove that A inverse is equal to transpose of matrix A. If matrix A is equal to something, then prove that A inverse is equal to transpose of matrix A. Left is equal to right. Okay. So let A is equal to 1 upon 9 into matrix X. Okay. Implies A inverse is equal to 1 upon 9 into X of inverse. Implies A inverse is equal to 1 upon 9 inverse is equal to 9. Okay, into X inverse. Equation first. Let A is equal to 1 upon 9 into matrix X. Implies A inverse is equal to 1 upon 9 into X of inverse. Implies A inverse is equal to 1 upon 9 inverse is equal to 9 into X inverse. Equation first. Equation first, left side. So A inverse left side, it means A inverse is equal to 9 into X inverse. Okay. Right side is equal to RHS is equal to transpose of matrix A. 1 upon 9 into matrix minus at 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus at 4 transpose is equal to 1 upon 9 same to same into interchanging row and column minus at 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus at 4. Okay. Right side RHS. Left side is equal to A inverse equal to 9 into X inverse. Before, find the value of the X inverse. Okay. So X is equal to matrix X is equal to minus at 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus at 4. Find the value of X inverse. Formula of X inverse is equal to adjoint X upon determinant X. Implies determinant X is equal to, on expanding along R1 minus at 4 into 4 16 minus plus 56 minus 1 4 into 4 16 minus 7 plus 4 into minus 32 minus 4. Okay. Minus 8 into 72 minus 16 minus 7 9 plus 32 minus 4 36 into 4 into 36. Okay, is equal to 72 minus 9 36. It means minus 9 common. Okay. Add into 64 plus 1 plus 16 is equal to minus 9 cube. Okay, determinant of x. Matrix x is equal to something. Find the value of x inverse. So determinant x and adjoint x. Upon finding the cofactor of matrix x. Okay, upon finding the cofactor of matrix x, cofactor of element -1, cofactor of element 1, cofactor of element 4. Similarly 4, 4, 7, 1, -8 and 4. So matrix x is equal to -8, 1, 4, -8, 1, 4, 4, 4, 7, 1, -8, 4. Cofactor f11, f11 over -8 is equal to -8, leaving the corresponding row and column. 4 into 4, 16, minus minus plus, it means 72. 1 plus 1, 2, even number, it means positive. Okay, f12 over 1 is equal to 1. 4 into 4, 16, minus 7, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. It means odd number, minus. Okay, f13 over 4 is equal to 4 minus k, 32 minus 4, it means minus 36. 1 plus 3, 4, it means odd number. Okay, positive. And f21 over 4 is equal to 4 plus 32, 36 minus f22 over 4 is equal to minus 36. f23 over 7 is equal to minus 64 plus 64 minus 1, it means 63 minus 63. And f31 over 1 is equal to minus 9. f32 minus 8 is equal to minus k, 56 minus 16, it means 72. f33 over 4 is equal to minus 36. Okay, matrix made of cofactor of matrix x. Okay, Fij is equal to f11, f12, f13, it means 72 minus 9 minus 36, minus 36 minus 36 minus 63, 9, 72, 36. Okay, adjoint x is equal to Fij power of t. It means transpose of Fij is equal to 72 minus 9 minus 36 minus 36 minus 36 minus 63 minus 972 minus 36. Okay, adjoint of x. So x inverse is equal to adjoint of x by determinant of x, implies x inverse is equal to determinant of x is equal to minus 1 upon 9 power 3 into adjoint of x 72 minus 36 minus 9 minus 9 36 72 minus 36 minus 63 minus 60 no 36. Okay. Minus 9 common, x inverse is equal to minus 9 common. It means minus minus plus 1 upon 9 power 2 into minus 9 common, minus minus plus into 9 upon 9 to power 3, 9 cancel. It means 1 upon 9 to power 2 into 9 common, minus at plus 4 1 1 4 minus at 4 7 4 x inverse. Okay, from equation first, equation first is equal to A inverse is equal to 9 into x inverse. Implies A inverse is equal to 9 into x inverse 1 upon 9 power 2 into minus at 4 1 1 4 minus at 4 7 4 9 9 cancel is equal to 1 upon 9 into minus at 4 1 1 4 minus at 4 7 4. Okay, A inverse left side. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. LHS RHS. RHS is equal to 1 upon 9, LHS equal to 1 upon 9, minus at 4 1 1 4 minus at 4 7 4. Okay, left is equal to right. Next question, question number 7. If matrix A equal 5 0 4 2 3 2 1 2 1 and B inverse is equal to 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4, find the value of AB inverse. Okay, matrix A equal to something and matrix B inverse is equal to something. Find the value of AB inverse. So AB inverse is equal to, formula of AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Equation first, right side B inverse into A inverse. Inverse matrix of A. Before Find the value of A inverse. Find the value of A inverse. Now, determinant A is equal to, on expanding along R1, 5 into 3 minus 4 minus 0 into 2 minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5 plus 4 equal to minus 1. Determinant A equal to minus 1, not equally 0. So, A inverse exists. Okay. Upon finding the cofactor of matrix A. Matrix A is equal to 5, 0, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. F1 1 over 5 is equal to minus 1. F1 2 over 0 is equal to 0. F1 3 over 4 is equal to 1, and F2 1 over 2 is equal to at F2 2 over 3 is equal to 1. F2 3 over 2 is equal to 10 minus 1 0, 10, it means minus 10, and F3 1 over 1 equal to minus 12. F3 2 over 2 is equal to 10 minus 8, it means 2, minus 2. F3 over 1 is equal to minus 15, plus 15. Okay. Matrix made of cofactors of matrix A. Fij equal to minus 1, 0, 1 at 1 minus 10 minus 12 minus 2 15, and adjoint A is equal to transpose of matrix Fij. It means adjoint A is equal to minus 1, 0, 1 at 1 minus 10 minus 12 minus 2 15. Okay. So A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A, implies A inverse is equal to determinant A equal to minus 1. It means minus 1, 0, 1 at 1 minus 10 minus 12 minus 2 15 is equal to 1 minus 8 plus 12, 0 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 10 minus 15. A inverse is equal to matrix. From equation first, A B inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. from equation first, AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. B inverse equal to 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4 into A inverse. A inverse 1 minus 8 12 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 10 minus 15. Okay, multiply B inverse into A inverse. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. First row first column 1 into 1 1 plus 0 minus 3. First row second column minus 8 minus 3 plus का 30. Similarly first row third column 12 plus 6 minus 45. Similarly second row first column second column third column. Okay, 1 plus 0 minus 3 minus 8 minus 4 plus 30 12 plus 8 minus 45 1 plus 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 3 plus 40 12 plus 6 minus 60 is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 19 18 minus 45 is equal to minus 27 minus 2 minus plus 18 20 minus 45 is equal to minus 25 minus 3 29 minus 42. AB inverse. Okay, question number 7 complete. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.